Abduction that occurred at 158 Center Street in McNabb on November 15th at 7 a.m.
Yo, what in the world?
2 months old, 20 inches tall, weighs 15 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He is wearing gray and white striped pajama shirt and bottoms. Mother reported that Noah was taken from his residence by non-custodial father in a white 2001 Chevrolet Trailblazer with Illinois license Z529020.
What in the world?
Father, Kevin Del Hadal, a white 32-year-old male with brown hair and blue eyes, who is 6 foot 4 inches tall and weighs 275 lbs. Was last seen wearing a dark-colored Illinois hooded sweatshirt and dark blue jeans. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.
What in the...
This evening, Liam...
Bro, another one? What?
Black jacket, gray pants with a yellow stripe, white socks, and no shoes. Liam was in a running vehicle outside the 7-Eleven gas station when an unknown suspect stole the vehicle. The vehicle is a blue 2001 Oldsmobile Silhouette van with Illinois license L703520 and the United States Marine Corps sticker in the back window. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police.
You gotta be kidding me. Another one?